With 14 career technical education pathways at Warren, your career journey starts here. Game programming. Imagine crafting worlds, characters, and gameplay. In this program, you'll master C# and Unity, building a portfolio that launches your game development dreams. Intro to engineering. From introductory principles to specialized fields like mechatronics and manufacturing, the engineering pathway exists to solve real-world problems. Engineering, manufacturing. Design and develop products utilizing a variety of industry-level equipment. Students will develop their design abilities and are introduced to proper operation of a CNC machine, computer-aided manufacturing, and parts inspection. Engineering, mechatronics. This honors course integrates mechanical systems with electronics, sensors, actuators, and control algorithms to design smarter systems with an emphasis on research, innovation, and real-world applications. Building and construction. Learn high-demand trades such as plumbing, carpentry, equipment operation, and architecture. Students will earn their OSHA 10 certification and build their professional portfolio while preparing for a future in the construction industry. Welding, metal cutting, brazing and soldering, shielded metal arc, gas metal arc. These are some of the welding processes students will learn along with safety practices, weld testing, and welding metallurgy. Makeup artistry. Find your place in the beauty industry through basic knowledge of makeup applications, focusing on skincare and facial manipulations. This course includes instruction in basic chemistry, bacteriology, anatomy, and physiology and aesthetics. Culinary arts. Cook, bake, and learn about the food industry, including equipment used in the commercial food service. Our food truck also services events all across Southern California, giving students a taste of training like a pro. Audio-visual technologies. Build LED walls, perfect live sound, create live productions, and learn the technical foundations of the audiovisual industry. Students will take real-world field trips and be challenged creatively in the only high school AV program on the entire West Coast. Film production. Aspiring YouTubers and Hollywood filmmakers will learn screenwriting, lighting, editing, audio production, and are prepped for a career in videography, professional filmmaking, and as an internet content creator. Biotechnology. Unlock the power of life itself. In this course, you'll create incredible products using DNA and natural processes, all while mastering real lab skills with cutting-edge equipment. Sports medicine. Be a game changer both on and off the field. Sports medicine equips you with critical skills from injury assessment to CPR certification so you can protect athletes and make a real impact. Fire science. Answer the call to courage and begin your journey to becoming a firefighter or EMT. You'll learn safety protocols and hands-on training with everything you need to step into that uniform and make a difference. AP Research and Seminar. This is the perfect way to amplify your CTE pathway and become a true problem solver. This class lets you dive deep, explore your passions, and develop powerful research skills. Education. You can shape the future as an educator, learn to connect with students, gain real classroom experience, and even pave your way to teaching programs at Cerritos College and Cal State Long Beach. Choose your passion and learn your future in one of our 14 CTE pathways at Warren.